Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. For those of who are new, I'm Surita and welcome to my YouTube channel. So finally the Mizoram vlog video is here and I know you guys have been waiting for it so long, and me personally even I have been waiting for it, so let's get started. So I visited Mizoram in the month of January, and for those of you who are not familiar with this name, Mizoram is a state in the northeastern part of India, and it is a beautiful place. As you guys know that I stay in Delhi, and so I traveled from Delhi to Guwahati by train, which was a 24-hour journey, and for the first time ever I traveled by train alone, all alone. So I was very excited for it because I never traveled alone in a train, so it was new for me and I super liked it. So I spent a couple of days in Guwahati and after that we left for Mizoram. So we decided to take the train from Guwahati to Silchar, and oh my god, what a great view on the way. So our train was at 11 p.m. from Guwahati and we reached Silchar by 4 p.m. the next day. Silchar. And we took the sumo till Demagiri, which is also called Slabung, right after we reached there. The sumo fare can cost around 1200 to 1500. On the way we stopped at this beautiful location to have our lunch, and oh my god, what a great view from that bridge, and the location was amazing. Also stopped at this place called Pyroom to buy some oranges. The sumo dropped us to Demagiri or Slabung by the next evening, and we had to spend a night there because we had to travel further the next day. So we left for Tipreghat, which is my home village. So we decided to take a taxi to reach Tipreghat, but you can also take a boat to go there. But it also depends on the market days. Most probably you won't get a passenger boat during the non-market days, and you would have to hire a whole boat for a 30 minutes ride, and it can get very expensive. So if you're traveling on non-market days, it's better to take a taxi, and the taxi cost us around 500 to 600. So I met my grandparents after 4 long years. I was really excited to